Welcome. Today I am with SoundPeats H2 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to remember to charge the case and earphones itself at least to the 50%. Right here you can find the USB-C input. To start you have to open the case, next move to your Apple Watch. So open the settings. Right now we have to find on the list the Bluetooth. It's right here under the Wi-Fi. And when you scroll down, you have to also enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and the SoundPeats H2 will appear on the list after a few seconds. So we have to tap on them once. Now just wait. And there it is. We are connected. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.